Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Good morning, students. We are discussing applications of derivative exercise 6.5. Okay, up to question number 26 we completed. Okay, major questions completed. Now we have here 3 MCQ questions. Okay, question number 27, 28 and 29. These 3 are MCQ questions. Okay, I am writing without options. Question number 27. Find the point on the curve x square equal to 2y which is nearest to the point 0, 5. Find point on the curve x square equal to 2y. My x square equal to 2y is upward parabola. Okay, upward parabola. Find point on this curve which is nearest to the point 0, 5. Okay, nearest to the point 0, 5. Okay, now it may be any point. Now we have to find coordinates of that point nearest to the point 0, 5. Okay, now I'll consider any point on this curve be let x, y. Okay, x, y be any point on this curve, Okay, now d be the distance between x, y and 0, 5. Okay, so d be the distance of the point x, 5 on the curve x square equal to 2y from the point 0, 5. Okay, d be the distance between the points x, y, where x, y is a point on the curve x square equal to 2y. Okay, now d be the distance of the point x, y on the curve x square equal to 2y from the point 0, 5. Okay, now distance formula. What is distance formula? Distance between these 2 points, square root of x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. Distance d is equal to square root of x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. Okay, nothing but square root of x minus 0 is x square plus y minus 5 whole square. Okay, x square plus y minus 5 whole square. Now what is the given curve? Given curve is x square equal to 2y. So in place of x square I'll write 2y. Okay, so 2y plus y minus 5 whole square. A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So y minus 5 whole square is y square minus 2 into 5 into y, nothing but minus 10y plus 5 square, 25. Okay, so how much we have? D is equal to square root of y square 2y minus 10y minus 8y plus 25. D is equal to square root of y square minus 8y plus 25. Okay, but D is minimum when under root quantity is minimum, no? Okay, D is minimum when this quantity is minimum, nothing but y square minus 8y plus 25 is minimum. Okay, now further y square minus 8y plus 25 I will split it as 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9 is 25 only, no? Okay, now what is the advantage? D is equal to square root of y square minus 8y plus 25 I will write as 16 plus 9. Okay, so square root of y square minus 8y plus 16. Now these 3 terms, y square minus 8y plus 16, what we can write? Y minus 4 whole square. Okay, so D is equal to square root of y minus 4 whole square plus 9. Okay, D is equal to square root of y minus 4 whole square plus 9. Okay, now D minimum means this quantity has to be minimum. So y minus 4 whole square plus 9 minimum when y minus 4 whole square is 0. Because if y minus 4 positive or negative, because of square it is positive only. So this is minimum when y minus 4 whole square is 0. Okay, so D is least when y minus 4 whole square is 0, nothing but y minus 4 equal to 0, nothing but y is equal to 4. Okay, so D is minimum when y is equal to 4. Okay, when y is equal to 4, what about x ordinate? What we have, my x square equal to 2y. So when y is equal to 4, x square equal to 2y, y value 4 if you write here, x square equal to 2 into 4, nothing but x square equal to 8. Okay, x square equal to 8. Now when x square equal to 8, x is equal to what? Plus or minus 2 root 2. If you take square root on both sides, okay, x is equal to plus or minus 2 root 2. X equal to plus or minus 2 root 2. So what are the points? 2 root 2 comma 4 and minus 2 root 2 comma 4 on the given curve are nearest to the point 0 comma 5. Okay, 2 root 2 comma 4 and minus 2 root 2 comma 4 on the given curve are nearest to the point 0 comma 5. Out of these only 2 root 2 comma 4 is given in the options. So 2 root 2 comma 4 is the point nearest to the point 0 comma 5 on the curve. Okay, now here question is to find a point on the curve x square equal to 2y which is nearest to the point 0 comma 5. Okay, now x square equal to 2y, it is upward parabola. Okay, I will consider any arbitrary point x comma y. So this distance has to be minimum. So distance d is equal to square root of x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. Nothing but square root of x square plus y minus 5 whole square. X square is 2y, no? So substituting 2y in place of x square. So d is equal to square root of 2y plus y square minus 10y plus 25. Nothing but d is equal to square root of y square minus 8y plus 25. Okay. So 25 split it as 16 plus 9. So up to here first 3 terms what we can write? Y minus 4 whole square. So d is equal to square root of y minus 4 whole square plus 9. Okay. D is least when y minus 4 whole square is 0. So y minus 4 whole square 0 means y minus 4 equal to 0, nothing but y is equal to 4. When y is equal to 4, what is x? X square equal to 2y, no? So x square equal to 2 into 4, x square equal to 8, x square equal to 8 means x is equal to plus or minus root 8, nothing but x is equal to plus or minus 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 comma 4 and minus 2 root 2 comma 4 and the given curve are the nearest to the point 0 comma 5. So out of the options only one point given, that is 2 root 2 comma 4. Okay, 2 root 2 comma 4 is nearest to the point 0 comma 5 on the curve. Okay. Next question, question number 28. Question number 28. For all real values of x, this is a for all symbol, for all symbol, this is for all real values of x. The minimum value of 1 minus x plus x square upon 1 plus x plus x square. For every real value of x, find the minimum value of 1 minus x plus x square upon 1 plus x plus x square. Okay. Now, first of all, I will consider this as f of x or y. Okay. Let y is equal to 1 minus x plus x square upon 1 plus x plus x square. Find dy by dx, differentiating with respect to x. So what we get? Left hand side dy by dx, right hand side u by v form. Okay, u by v derivative, v into derivative of u dash minus u into derivative of v dash upon v square. Okay, u into u by v derivative, v into derivative of u dash minus u into derivative of v dash upon v square. So numerator is u, denominator is v, so v square. So denominator v square I wrote, 1 plus x square whole square. Numerator v into, that is 1 plus x square into derivative of numerator, derivative of 1 minus x plus x square. Okay, 1 derivative 0, minus x derivative minus 1 plus x square derivative 2x. So 1 plus x square into minus 1 plus 2x minus u into, what is u? 1 minus x plus x square into derivative of v, derivative of denominator, 1 derivative 0, x derivative 1, x square derivative 2x. So 1 plus 2x. Okay. Now multiply numerator, multiply here and multiply here. So what we get? If you multiply with 1 minus 1 plus 2x, multiply with x minus x plus 2x square, multiply with x square minus x square plus 2x cube. Okay, this is the product of these two. Okay, now multiply with these two, multiply these two. So minus into 1, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, minus 1 into 2x, minus 2x. Okay, so minus of minus plus, so x into 1 x, x into 2x, 2x square. Okay, next minus x square into 1, minus x square, minus x square into 2x, minus 2x cube. Okay, now any cancellation, if you observe here, plus 2x cube minus 2x cube cancel. Okay, next plus 2x minus 2x cancel. Okay, and minus x plus x cancel. So what else we have here? 2x square minus x square minus x square. Here also 2x square minus x square is x square. X square plus x square, 2x square minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So 2x square minus 2 upon 1 plus x square whole square. Okay, this is dy by dx. Okay, now take 2 common here. 2 into x square minus 1 upon 1 plus x square whole square. This is dy by dx. Now for minimum or maximum, first derivative equal to 0. For minimum or maximum, first derivative equal to 0. So put dy by dx equal to 0. So dy by dx equal to 0 means 2 into x square minus 1 upon 1 plus x square whole square equal to 0. Okay, so as denominator is non-zero, numerator is 0. Okay, so 2 into x square minus 1 equal to 0, nothing but x square minus 1 equal to 0. So x square minus 1 equal to 0 means x minus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0, nothing but x is equal to plus 1 or minus 1. So x equal to 1 and minus 1 are critical points. Okay, now x equal to 1 and minus 1 are critical points. Now we have to verify the sign of f double dash of x or d square y by dx square at x equal to 1 and at x is equal to minus 1. Okay, suppose d square y by dx square at x equal to 1 is positive, then x equal to 1 is point of minima. Okay, suppose at x equal to 1, if d square minus d square y by dx square is less than 0, then x equal to 1 is point of maxima. Okay, now d square y by dx square will find. D square y by dx square. Now what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is 2 into, this 2 constant I'll write outside, 2 into x square minus 1 by 1 plus x square whole square. Again u by v form. Okay, u by v form derivative is what? V into, what is v here? 1 plus x square whole square. Okay, so 2 into 2 outside v 1 plus x square whole square, v into derivative of numerator, derivative of x square minus 1, derivative of x square is 2x, minus 1 derivative 0, so 2x. So v u dash 1 plus x square whole square into 2x minus u into, that is x square minus 1 into derivative of denominator. Derivative of denominator, what is denominator? 1 plus x square whole square, no? So x square derivative 2x, so 2 into 1 plus x square into, by chain rule, 1 derivative 0, x derivative 1 plus x square derivative 2x, so 1 plus 2x. Okay, now denominator v square we have tried, that is 1 plus x square whole square is 1 plus x square whole power 4. Okay, now anything common in numerator, if you observe here 2 common, so 2 common, so 2 into 2 4, also 1 plus x square whole square we have, 1 plus x square we have, so 1 plus x square common, so 1 plus x square common in numerator. So what we have here in numerator? 1 plus x square whole square. Out of this square, one term outside means still we have 1 plus x square into, out of 2x 2 common means x, so 1 plus x square into x minus 2 common, 1 plus x square common, so still what we have? X square minus 1 into 1 plus 2x. Okay, Now denominator what we have 1 plus x square whole power 4 no. Now here 1 plus x square, here also 1 plus x square cancel. So still what we have power 4 one term cancel means power 3. So 1 plus x square whole power 3, that is in denominator. Numerator here what we have 4 into, if you multiply x inside, so what we get x plus x square plus x cube. Okay, so minus x square into 1 minus x square into 2x, that is minus 2x cube. Okay, next minus half minus plus 1 into 1 1 into 2x 2x, 1 plus 2x. Now any cancellation here, x square minus x square cancel. Okay, now 4 into constant term 1, x plus 2x 3x. Okay, x cube minus 2x cube minus x cube. Okay, so second derivative d square y by dx square is equal to 4 into 1 plus 3x minus x cube upon 1 plus x square whole cube. Okay, now this is second derivative, d square y by dx square. Now at x equal to 1 and at x equal to minus 1 we have to verify the sign of second derivative. So at x is equal to 1, d square y by dx square is equal to 4 into, in place of x if substitute 1 plus 3 minus 1. Okay, 1 plus 3 minus 1, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, numerator is 3. Denominator 1 plus 1 cube. Okay, if you substitute 1 here in place of x, 1 plus 1 3 cube. Okay, so 3 by 3 square, 3 by 3 cube is what? 1 by 3 square, nothing but 1 by 9. So bracket value is 1 by 9, 4 into 1 by 9 is 4 by 9. So 4 by 9 means positive, no? So x equal to 1 is point of minima, x equal to 1 is point of minima. Also we'll verify sign of second derivative at x is equal to minus 1 also. So at x is equal to minus 1, d square y by dx square is equal to 4 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1 minus 1 cube. Okay, now minus 1 cube is what? Minus 1. So minus half minus plus 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 minus 1. So minus 1 into 4 minus 4, numerator is minus 4, denominator 1 in place of x if you substitute minus 1 plus minus 1 square whole cube. So 1 minus 1 cancel, no? Minus 1 square is 1, 1 cube is also 1. So denominator 1, numerator is 4. So value is how much? Minus 4. So minus 4 means less than 0. So x equal to minus 1 is a point of local maxima. So what we have to find? Minimum value, no? So by second derivative test, x equal to 1 is point of minima. X equal to 1 is point of minima. X equal to 1 is point of minima. So minimum value is how much? Minimum value is f of 1. Now in place of x if substitute 1, so what we get? F of x or y is equal to what? 1 minus x plus x square upon 1 plus x square. So in place of x if we substitute 1, so what we get? 1 minus 1 plus 1 square upon 1 plus 1 plus 1 square. Now plus 1 minus 1 cancel, 1 square is 1 by 3. Okay, so minimum value of this function is 1 by 3. Okay, minimum value is 1 by 3. Okay, I'll repeat once again. Here question is to find minimum value of 1 minus x plus x square upon 1 plus x square. Okay, consider that as y. Find first derivative dy by dx. So dy by dx what we got after simplification? U by v method. Okay, vu dash minus uv dash upon v square if you apply. What we got? dy by dx equal to 2 into x square minus 1 upon 1 plus x square whole square. Okay, for minimum or maximum first derivative 0. By putting first derivative 0, we got critical points x equal to 1 and minus 1. Okay, 1 and minus 1. Now second derivative, okay, d square y by dx square. Okay, 2 I am writing outside one. Okay, 2 into x square minus 1 upon 1 plus x square whole square. Okay, numerator 2 I am writing outside and I am applying u by v method. Okay, v into u dash minus u into v dash upon v square. Okay, taking 1 plus x square common and 2 common. So 4 into 1 plus x square into, here still we have 1 plus x square into x minus x square minus 1 into 1 plus 2x. Okay, 1 plus x square here, 1 plus x square cancel. Still what we have numerator 4 and denominator 1 plus x square whole cube. And if you multiply here and here, after simplification what we got? 1 plus 3x minus x cube upon 1 plus x square whole cube into 4. Okay, now this is second derivative, d square y upon dx square. Okay, now we have to verify sign of d square y upon dx square at x is equal to 1 and at x is equal to minus 1. At x equal to 1 what we got? By substituting in place of x 1, we got it as 4 by 9 positive. So x equal to 1 is point of minima. By second derivative test, x equal to 1 is point of minima, and minimum value is f of 1 nothing but 1 by 3. So minimum value of this function is how much? 1 by 3. Okay, now one more critical point we got, that is x equal to minus 1. So x equal to at x equal to minus 1, second derivative value is how much? Minus 4, which is less than 0. It is point of maxima. Okay, so we have to find minimum value. So minimum value is how much? Minimum value is 1 by 3, exists at the point x is equal to 1. Okay, x equal to 1 is point of minima and minimum value is 1 by 3. Okay, next question, last question in this exercise. The maximum value of x into x minus 1 plus 1 power 1 by 3, where x lies between 0 to 1, where x lies between 0 to 1. The maximum value of x into x minus 1 plus 1 power 1 by 3, x lies between 0 to 1. Okay, what is given function? Given function is x into x minus 1 plus 1 power 1 by 3. If you multiply x inside, what we get? F of x equal to x square minus x plus 1 power 1 by 3. Here x lies between 0 to 1. Okay, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Okay, so for minimum or maximum, first of all we will find first derivative and equate to 0, no? And also given in the closed interval. So what we'll find, what we'll do is we'll find f dash of x equal to 0. We'll find critical point x which lies between 0 and 1. After that we'll find function value, f of x value at 0 and the critical points and at 1. Okay, now f dash of x. What is f of x? F of x is x square minus x plus 1 power 1 by 3. F dash of x, okay, derivative x power n derivative n into x power n minus 1. So 1 by 3 into x square minus x plus 1 power 1 by 3 minus 1 is minus 2 by 3 into x square derivative 2x minus x derivative minus 1, 2x minus 1. Okay, now if you write, what we can write, 2x minus 1 upon denominator 3 into, but this power, negative power, if you write in denominator will be positive power, no? X square minus x plus 1 power 2 by 3. So f dash of x equal to how much? F dash of x equal to 2x minus 1 by 3 into x square minus x plus 1 power 2 by 3. Okay, now for maximum first derivative equal to 0. Okay, for maximum first derivative equal to 0. Now first derivative equal to 0, that is 2x minus 1 upon 3 into x square minus x plus 1 power 2 by 3. This is equal to 0. Okay, so means numerator has to be 0. Numerator means 2x minus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to 1 by 2. X equal to 1 by 2. Now x equal to 1 by 2 belongs to 0 to 1, no? So x equal to 1 by 2 belongs to 0 to 1. So x equal to 1 by 2 is critical point. X equal to 1 by 2 is critical point. Now what we'll do, we'll find value of function f of x at x is equal to 1 by 2 critical point, as well as at the end points of the interval 0 to 1. So what we'll find f of 0, we'll find f of 1 by 2, we'll find f of 1. Okay, among these three, whichever is the maximum, that is the maximum. Okay, now at x is equal to 0, f of 0 in place of x, if you write 0, this is 0, no? 0 plus 1, 1 power 1 by 3 is 1. So f of 0 is how much? 1. Okay, next at x is equal to 1, f of 1 in place of x, if you write 1, so 0 plus 1, 1 power 1 by 3, 1 power 1 by 3 is nothing but 1 only, no? Okay, so f of 0 is 1, f of 1 is also 1. Okay, next at x is equal to 1 by 2, f of 1 by 2, f of 1 by 2 in place of x, if you write 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1, 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2, So 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4 plus 1. Minus 1 by 4 plus 1 is what? 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 power 1 by 3. Okay. F of 1 by 2 is 3 by 4 power 1 by 3. Okay. Now among these x equal to 1 is maximum value. 1, 1 and 3 by 4 power 1 by 3 we got. Okay. 1 is maximum value. Okay. So maximum value of f of x is how much? 1 existing at the point x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. Okay. Now here given we have to find the maximum value of the function f of x equal to x into x minus 1 plus 1 power 1 by 3. Okay. Now f dash of x, how much we got? F dash of x is 2x minus 1 upon 3 into x square minus x plus 1 power 2 by 3. Okay. For minimum or maximum, put first derivative equal to 0. First derivative equal to 0 means numerator has to be 0. Numerator 0 means 2x minus 1 equal to 0 means x is equal to 1 by 2. X equal to 1 by 2 lies in the given interval 0 to 1 only, no? So x equal to 1 by 2 is critical point. So we will find the value of function at x equal to 1 by 2, that is a critical point, as well as at the end points of the interval 0 to 1. Okay, we will find f of 0, we will find f of 1 by 2, we'll find f of 1. Okay, f of 0, how much we got? F of 0 is 1, f of 1 is 1, f of 1 by 2 is 3 by 4 power 1 by 3. So maximum value of f of x is how much? 1, exists at the point x equal to 0 and 1. Okay, now with this we completed this exercise. Okay, next class we will start miscellaneous exercise and miscellaneous example problems. Okay, thank you.